Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, we'll see how to do the one-way ANOVA in SPSS. Here we have a dataset for a particular biological experiment with three different groups, each having 4 values. We can see there are control, high dose and low dose with their corresponding cell count in millions. And we would like to see the one-way ANOVA here for this particular dataset. So in order to do it, first go to the Analyze tab. From Analyze tab, select Compare Means and then select ANOVA or One-Way ANOVA. Here we'll select the values, that is cell count in millions for this dataset in dependent list and the groups into the factor. We'll also select the Post Hoc. Here we'll see the two sections here. One for equal variances assumed and the other for equal variances not assumed. For this video we will see the both, and in the equal variances assumed we will select done it, and the control category for first and two-sided, we'll assume this experiment is two-sided, and in equal variances not assumed we'll select done it T3 test, which is mostly used, and our significance level will be 0.05, which is standard for most experiments. And finally we'll select continue. We'll also select the options for seeing the descriptive statistics, homogeneity of variance test and means plot also. For the missing values, exclude cases analysis by analysis, we'll select this one, and we'll select continue again and click OK. This will generate the results for the analysis. First of all, we can see the descriptive statistics table with all the means, standard deviation, lower and upper bound values, minimum and maximum. Test of homogeneity of variances, we can see it is not significant from the p-value. In the ANOVA test, we can see that our F statistics is 9.853 and the significance value or p-value is 0.005, which means the ANOVA test is significant between groups. In the post hoc test, we can see there are two sections in the table. One section is done at T3. This is for the variances not assumed, not equal assumed. And here we can see for control and high dose the p-value is 0.024, which means it is less than 0.05, meaning that the means for control and high dose are significantly different. Similarly, for the control and low dose, the p-value is 0.026, which is less than 0.05. meaning the means for control and low dose is also significantly different. And this is for the section we select in the post hoc, which was variances was equal assumed, and you can see that the p-value for high dose and control is less than 0.05, which means that it is significantly different. Finally, in the means plot, we can see the plot for the means of three groups: control, high dose and low dose. The control has a mean of 21, the high dose has between 12 and 9, and the low dose has a mean of 12. So this is how you can do the one-way ANOVA analysis in SPSS and interpret the results also. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.